drones have revolutionized the way we capture the world from above, blending advanced technology with limitless creativity. In 2025, drones are smarter, faster, and more versatile, catering to diverse needs like filmmaking, photography, mapping, and recreational flying. With features like AI-powered flight modes, extended flight times, 4K and 8K Ultra HD cameras, and state-of-the-art obstacle avoidance systems, today's drones push boundaries like never before. This video explores the top 5 best drones of 2025, showcasing the leading innovations that make them stand out. Dive in to discover the ultimate flying machines redefining what's possible in the sky this year. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo packs an impressive set of features into a remarkably lightweight design. Weighing just 135 grams, it is as light as a smartphone, making it the perfect grab-and-go drone. Its lightweight build exempts it from FAA registration and remote ID requirements, offering hassle-free operation. Ideal for casual outings or spontaneous trips, the Neo fits conveniently in a pocket or backpack. Ease of use is a standout feature, with palm takeoff and landing functionality allowing controller-free operation. Whether at a family barbecue or on a hike, Neo's simplicity ensures fun for everyone. Its AI subject tracking and quick shots make capturing cinematic footage effortless, with 8 creative modes designed for vlogs and other projects. In terms of performance, the Neo doesn't disappoint. Its 4K ultra-stabilized video ensures smooth, high-quality footage even in windy conditions, thanks to level 4 wind resistance and DJI's renowned stabilization technology. Additionally, full coverage propeller guards enhance safety for beginners and add confidence for flying in tight spaces. With multiple control options, including voice commands, app-based controls, and traditional remote operation, the DJI Neo offers unmatched flexibility. While the DJI Fly app's absence on Google Play might be a minor inconvenience, downloading it from DJI's website ensures a seamless experience. Overall, Neo is a perfect choice for users seeking fun, portable, and reliable drone performance. Holystone HS900. The Holystone HS900 is a lightweight, 4K drone with advanced GPS, 3-axis gimbal, and user-friendly controls for stunning footage. Priced at $600, the Holystone HS900 combines high performance with ease of use, making it a top choice for drone enthusiasts. With its lightweight design of just 249 grams, the HS900 is FAA compliant and does not require registration or remote ID, offering hassle-free operation and exceptional portability. At its core is a professional-grade camera equipped with a Sony 1 by 2.3 inches CMOS sensor, f2.6 aperture, and 48 megapixel resolution, capable of capturing stunning 4K by 30 frame per second video and 48 megapixel photos. The HS900 ensures your footage is sharp and full of detail. The 3-axis brushless gimbal and level 5 wind resistance maintain stability in winds up to 38 km per hour, delivering smooth and professional shots in various conditions. Its user-friendly design shines with an advanced control system that simplifies flight even for beginners. The Holystone Series app offers quick-shot templates for creating cinematic videos effortlessly, ready for instant sharing on social media. With a transmission range of up to 20,000 feet, you can explore and capture a wider landscape with enhanced signal reliability and anti-interference capabilities. The GPS auto-return feature, visual tracking, and fast battery charging 1.16 to 1.33 hours round out this exceptional drone. The HS900 is an excellent investment for those seeking versatility, reliability, and top-tier image quality. Pro Limitless 5. The Pro Limitless 5 is a 4K drone with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, 3-axis gimbal, GPS, and intuitive controls. Priced at $600, the Pro Limitless 5 offers a premium flying experience with cutting-edge features that cater to both professionals and enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, which uses laser technology to scan the flight path, enabling seamless navigation even in complex environments. With an impressive 3-mile flight range, this GPS drone allows you to explore further than ever before. Equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition camera and a smooth 3-axis gimbal, the Limitless 5 captures cinematic quality video and sharp photos. Enhanced electronic image stabilization ensures stable footage, while dual cameras provide versatile shooting options. Its long 30-minute flight time per charge and brushless motors offer efficient performance with reduced noise and extended durability. The GPS precision and auto-return home feature provides safety and convenience, automatically guiding the drone back to its takeoff point during low battery or signal loss. Gesture control and dynamic follow-me technology make it intuitive to operate, while the surround mode delivers stunning point-of-interest shots with ease. Perfect for creators and adventure seekers, the X Pro Limitless 5 combines professional-grade imaging with intelligent features, ensuring every flight is safe, smooth, and creatively fulfilling. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 offers a thrilling and immersive flying experience, taking drone enthusiasts to new heights with intuitive features and stunning visuals. Priced for both beginners and experienced pilots, it enables users to enjoy a unique, cockpit-like perspective through DJI's goggles. The drone provides real-time visual feedback, creating a sense of pure freedom and adrenaline as you soar through the air. What sets the Avata 2 apart is its intuitive motion control, allowing users to control the drone with simple hand movements, making it accessible even to first-time flyers. For those seeking a more advanced experience, the drone's acro mode lets you perform impressive aerial tricks, such as flips and 180 degrees drifts, with ease. The Avata 2 is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch image sensor and a super wide 155 degrees FOV, enabling you to capture sharp, detailed 4K footage and slow motion shots at 100 fps. Safety is enhanced with built-in propeller guards, which ensure the drone is more durable and secure for tight shots in varied environments. With the lightweight design and compatibility with DJI's advanced remote controllers, the Avata 2 is perfect for seamless POV content creation. For users seeking the full FPV experience, the DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo offers everything needed, including the DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3. Compliant with FAA Remote ID, it offers peace of mind for all users. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S, weighing 724 grams, is a feature-packed drone designed for both casual flyers and professional content creators. Equipped with dual cameras, it boasts a 1-inch CMOS 50-megapixel wide-angle camera and a 1x1.3-inch CMOS 48 megapixels medium telephoto camera, offering exceptional photo and video capabilities. With the ability to shoot 4K by 60 frames per second high-definition resolution and 4K by 120 60 frames per second video, it delivers crisp, vibrant footage even in challenging lighting conditions. The drone's omnidirectional sensors ensure safety and stability, with coverage in all directions, up, down, left, right, forward, backward, helping it avoid obstacles with ease. The forward-facing LiDAR system enhances obstacle detection and provides better navigation in low-light conditions, while the Active Track 360-degree feature enables automatic tracking and obstacle avoidance, ensuring smooth footage even with cluttered backgrounds. With an impressive 45-minute flight time and a 20 km transmission range, the Air 3S lets you explore vast areas and capture expansive landscapes without worrying about battery life or signal loss. Built-in 42GB storage and 10-bit 04 video transmission provide additional convenience for content creators, allowing seamless video capture and easy transfer. Overall, the DJI Air 3S is an incredibly versatile drone, perfect for stunning aerial shots and smooth cinematic footage.